Hey, my musical lovers! Welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge will be simple, yet painful. It's save one song from Wicked and the new movie Wicked for Good. 2 hits, but only one choice to pick. Think fast, trust your heart, and drop your picks on every quiz in this video. At the end, let's see what your Wicked playlist looks like. Okay now, deep breath. Let's save a song. Here's your first challenge. Save only one between popular and for good.
It's very true to be very, very popular. Like a stream that meets like a sea drop by a halfway to the...
No Good Deed versus No One Mourns the Wicked. Are you saving pure rage or iconic drama? Tell me your pick.
Should be circumvented. No good deed goes unpunished.
Save one team between these two. Wicked hits versus Wicked for good grooves. Let's pick the team you're riding with till the end.
Told me lately, everyone deserves it. We're gonna make you hope you. Dearest Linda, you are still the best. Well, I can. Others are good, but you're the good. There have been changed for good, but only one that matters.
Just for you know, I'm going with both. Defying Gravity versus As Long As You're Mine. Freedom fights against love. Let's choose between them.
Every moment, as long as you're...
Which one would you rather save? Every Day More Wicked or the iconic What Is This Feeling?
Dearest Linda, you are still the best. Well, I can. Others are good, but you're the good lady. Loathing for forever, loathing.
Can you guess this song just by the intro of it? Lock your answer in right now and drop it below the comment. I'm gonna reply to each other, it is correct or not. Choose your beat between the sarcastic charm of Wonderful and the emotional manipulation of A Sentimental Man.
They'll call you wonderful. Come and be wonderful.
I think everyone deserves the chance to fly.
One stays, one goes. So go ahead and decide which is which between the Wicked Witch of the East versus the Wizard and I.
Just her and me, the wicked witch of the east. So it will be for the rest of my life, and I'll want nothing else to...
This one is quite hard, but you gotta choose one anyway. It's between March of the Witch Hunters and Something Bad.
Munchkin Rock, a vicar with a thriving flock for...
Let's flip the script and turn this into delete one song. Would you rather hit the like button of this video to delete the movie version of the For Good song, or you'd rather comment, I will delete the musical version of For Good?
Say if I've been changed for the better. Because I knew you. Because
Pick the one that hits harder between I'm Not That Girl and the reprise version of it.
no sight of who you are. Wishing only warms the heart.
There is only one survives, but that one's up to you. Pick between Thank Goodness and The Girl in the Bubble.
We know who we've got to thank. Thank goodness. That means a wizard cannot. And life has a question that haunts her some.
Kiss, Marry, or Kick with Ariana Grande, Jonathan Bailey, and Cynthia Erivo. They sure are all legends of Wicked, but tell me, which one are you choosing with which acts? And if you could, I would love to hear why you decided to do that. Choose your one and only vibe between No Place Like Home and Dancing Through Life.
If we keep on repeating, there's no place like.
Come on, follow me. You'll be happy to.
Let me ask you this. Would you rather watch the Wicked movie more or the musical version of Wicked better? Classic power or cinematic chills. Both are defying gravity, but only one version stays. Don't blink, don't stop listening and finishing the line of this song.
No wizard that there is or was is ever gonna bring me down.
Did you get the right answer there?
Is ever gonna bring.
As long as you're mine, movie versus musical version. Decide now.
With you wanting me just for this.
Under your spell, and somehow
Would you rather drop the movie version of Wonderful to save the musical one, or vice versa?
they'll call you wonderful. 'Cause it feels wonderful. They think I'm one.
Final judgment time. How will you rate this Wicked for good movie? Fire, awesome, all right, boring, or trash?
No good deed goes unpunished. That's my
It's up to you to decide, guys. Round 2. Finish the lyrics. Okay, now we start first with No Place Like Home. Can you complete the missing line?
that's never loved me. But there's no place. That's never loved me.
Time to fill in the missing words of No One Mourns the Wicked. Come on, let's finish the lyrics from the song Popular.
All about popular. It's not about aptitude. It's the way you're viewed. So it's very true to be very, very popular. It's not about aptitude. It's the way you're viewed.
Can you complete the missing bubble lyrics in The Girl in the Bubble?
A beautiful life built on lies for the girl. For the girl.
Would you rather give up Wicked music and never listen again? Or just subscribe to us right now? I mean, I wouldn't drop off those grooves. Another hit from the new movie. You know this one, or do you? Finish the lyric of For Good.
Can say if I've been changed for the better, because I knew you.
Complete the missing line from One Short Day.
Whose major itinerary is making all us merrier.
Okay, iconic one here. Can you finish the lyrics of this Wicked classic?
Has someone told me lately? Everyone deserves a chance to fly. Everyone deserves a chance to fly.
If these two songs are getting deleted and you can only save one, which one are you saving?
But there's no place like home.
If you're all about old school and going with defying gravity, make sure to hit that like button. If you're the newcomer and love No Place Like Home, subscribe to our channel. Okay then, can you finish this comically hateful lyric?
Loathing for forever, loathing.
Every Day More Wicked is next. Think you know it? Finish the lyric right now. Up next, No Good Deed. Finish it now.
One question haunts and hurts. Too much to mention. Was I really seeking good or just seeking attention? One question haunts and hurts. Too much to mention.
What words come next in this wonderful moment?
Wonderful, they'll call you wonderful.
Be wonderful.
Trust me, it's wonderful, they'll call you wonderful.
Aw, man. Can you finish this romantic lyric?
Just for this moment, as long as you can be how you want to. As long as you're mine, can be how you want.
How about The Wizard and I? Finish the lyrics right now.
For the rest of my life, and I want nothing else held in such high esteem. For the rest of my life, and I want nothing else till I die.
All right, that was brutal, but you made it through. Thanks for playing with us as always. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, subscribe for more Wicked challenges, and comment which song you saved and why. Keep yourself wonderful, and we'll see you in the next quiz, Quiz Slice Out.